I just bought over 28,000 Turbo, and I think this cryptocurrency has so much potential to make insane profits. Now, if you've been keeping up to date in the cryptocurrency meme coin space, you have probably heard of Turbo. Turbo right now, sitting at about a $75 million market cap, is getting a ton of volume. At this point right now, $60 million of 24-hour volume. You guys can see the website here. There's a couple things on this website that I want to point out. First of all, when it comes to the roadmap, we basically completed this Q2 goals, and then into Q3, there really isn't a plan going forward yet. So this is definitely a meme coin without a bunch of utility. So of course, be careful before you get involved in anything like this. I think the interesting thing about Turbo is its story behind how it got started. This was inspired by the power of AI. The project's founder turned to ChatGPT with a simple challenge: create the next great meme coin, started with a budget of just $69. So they basically went over to ChatGPT and had ChatGPT create this meme coin, which I think is just extremely interesting story. It's not just someone in their basement creating some meme coin. This has an interesting story where they used AI to actually create this meme coin, and obviously this so far has been a successful meme coin. This has already started to make millionaires, but I think this thing has so much more potential. One of the things that's nice about Turbo is that the tokenomics. Turbo token follows a unique tokenomics model to ensure a fair distribution. There's no taxes. It was a crowdfunded launch. It was fairly distributed. The contract was renounced. This is trying to make sure that it protects the average investor. This is something that's trying to be a people's movement, similar to PEPE. That is a people's movement right now. Turbo is trying to follow that concept by becoming a people's movement. You guys can see some other FAQs down here at the bottom and their contact information linking over to their Twitter account and their Discord account. By the way, if you guys appreciate videos like this, make sure you subscribe down below. Right now, when you go ahead and look at the charts, this cryptocurrency is down from the peak. You can see right now, it's down roughly about 60% from the peak, which is why I think now personally for me is a good buying opportunity. When you look at historical price overall, pretty much everyone bought above at least this level, and a lot of people have bought higher than where we are right now, which means a lot of people are probably not going to be selling off their Turbo bags. And so I think that provides a lot of opportunity to buy into Turbo now. If we do continue to have another great cycle, maybe another 2 weeks, where all meme coins just go crazy, this could go back to all-time highs or well exceed that value, in which case right now, that'd be making basically 200% returns, which I think has great potential. If you guys go ahead and check out and compare Turbo to something like PEPE, for example, you can see that this is very similar chart. Obviously, I have all my different levels of support and resistance here for PEPE, but you can see the trend line where it ended up going up dramatically in value, came back down, went up a little bit, and then went back down again. That trend's pretty much consistent here with Turbo. We end up going up, and then you kind of end up dipping off after that. So very similar pattern. So I think if PEPE ends up going back and setting new all-time highs, Turbo could do the same, which is why I think this is a great potential buy, at least for me with my portfolio. This cryptocurrency has built up a solid social following in the past couple weeks, with the Twitter account right now at 35,000 followers, which is definitely great, showing the level of community support behind this cryptocurrency. If we go ahead and check it out on the Ethereum blockchain, you can see that right now there are about 18,000, just shy of 18,000 holders of the Turbo cryptocurrency. And of course, you can go ahead and actually trade this on some different exchanges. For example, Gate.io is one of them. MEXC is another one. You can see that's where I end up buying my Turbo right behind me. End up buying my Turbo on MEXC. And so that's another easy way to actually acquire Turbo. And if you want to buy Turbo on MEXC without having to deal with the $50+ gas fees going through Uniswap, you guys can do that. Check out the link in the description down below. MEXC is doing a limited time promotional event with me. If you deposit and trade on their platform with any cryptocurrency, you can earn up to $100 worth of PEPE and up to $9,000 worth of USDT. All the terms are on this page as to what thresholds you have to meet for deposits and trades. So make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. There will be a button right here to create an account so you guys can start ahead and start depositing and trading on MEXC to earn these insane value that they're giving out for free. If you want to learn more about some of these other top meme coin picks that I bought into, check out this video up here, and I'll catch you on the next one.